Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some of my best Instagram profile tips that will be able to help you get more targeted leads and convert those leads into reps and customers for your business. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is that when you are attracting people to your Instagram account, and this is especially true if you have less than 10,000 followers on Instagram, your profile is going to be the main thing that is going to get people to want to not only follow you, but engage with you. Because people who engage with your content are going to be more targeted leads, reps, and customers for your business. So when people come to your Instagram profile, it's like they're doing shopping, window shopping, okay? And they stop by your storefront, which is like your Instagram profile. And based on what they see on that profile, they're either going to choose to walk into your store and see more of what you're about, or they're going to walk away. So it's really important that in your profile you are setting things up so that people are going to want to interact with you, because people do business with those who they know, like, and trust. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you have a smiling picture of yourself on Instagram, okay? And that's very easy to do. You can use your phone. Most of phones these days have HD capability. Snap a picture of yourself smiling. A smile disarms people. Don't put anything of a picture of your product or your business. Stay away from that, because what happens then is you're going to lose your leverage, because then people are going to do their own research and their level of resistance is going to get higher. The second thing you want to do when you're doing your Instagram profile is you want to tell people who you are. Now, you have to be concise, because you don't get a lot of characters in Instagram. I believe you have between 160 and 175 characters. So you have to be short and sweet. So tell people who you are. You can also use emojis as well to tell people who you are and what you're about. Then what you want to do is you also want to tell them how you help them with their problem. So the great way to explain this is you want to, I learned this from Todd and Leah Getz, two of the top Instagram marketing experts out there. And they use the analogy of Tylenol. So a lot of times what home business owners do is they focus so much on features, like, join my team, we have the best compensation plan, or this product is X, and they say what it does. What they said is, when you look at Tylenol, all right, when you look at a bottle of Tylenol, it's just like these little red capsules. But when you look at a Tylenol commercial, they're talking about what it does. So they have a commercial of a mother just distressed because her young daughter has a fever. So she gives the child, her daughter, a Tylenol, and what happens? In the commercial, you see the daughter starts feeling better. She's sleeping, all right? And so now when the daughter's sleeping better, mom's going to have a restful night as well. So what Tylenol was marketing was that when you give Tylenol to your child, they're going to have a more restful night's sleep if they have a fever or a headache. So what you want to do in your Instagram profiles, how are you going to help people solve their problem? So if you're doing things with weight loss, you might be saying helping people lose weight without sugar crashes or feeling hungry. Okay, that might be an angle. And so you want to make sure that you're talking about a benefit. Again, be concise. Really know who your audience is and what problem you are attempting to solve for them. Then what you want to do is, and I learned this also from Todd and Leah, is use hashtags. So you want to have a hashtag of who you, what is your main benefit. So like for Todd and Leah, they help home business owners get leads on automation. So they have in their hashtag, home business leads or MLM leads or social media automation as one of their hashtags. So you might have something there as a hashtag, because what a hashtag does is a lot of times when people are on Instagram, they will use a hashtag to search for certain things. And if they type in a hashtag in your, and that hashtag's in your profile is going to show up, and then they will be more than likely to follow you. So you want to make sure that you're using a hashtag. And then finally, you want to have a call to action where you want to get people on your list. So one of the ways that you can do that is, have a newsletter, or you have some form of a lead magnet that you want to give away to people in exchange for their contact information. This is what's called permission marketing or attraction marketing, where you're going to give something of value away to somebody in exchange for their contact information, and then they're giving you permission to follow up with them via email. Okay, so you're getting people on your list. And so what you want to do in that profile is give a call to action, a short, concise call to action of how they can get on your email list. So you could have something to the effect of, if it's weight loss, get my 7 weight loss recipes, easy to make shakes for weight loss. Okay, and then you direct them to a lead capture page, and then they can get that report from you, those recipes, and now you have their email. So now you can follow up with them via email. So those are the basic tips when it comes to building a following on Instagram. It's not just getting followers. You want these followers to take that next step, and you want to get them on your list. And then once they're on your list, the chances of them becoming a targeted prospect, customer, and rep goes up. And if you have a very compelling profile, what that's also going to do is that is going to have them engage with you. And the minute they start engaging with your content, whether they're liking your images and commenting on your images, they are also going to become a more targeted lead for you as well. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And if you want to get some more Instagram tips of really how to optimize your profile and know what type of apps and content, types of images to be using, I have a cheat sheet that will explain everything in more detail and a video that goes along with it. So if you want to get that video and cheat sheet, all you have to do is click on the link you see in the description, and I will send that right over to your email box. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.